and benefits of gardening.
Okay.
Tools for gardening.
What are the tools
for gardening?
Put it on. Put it on.
You need.
Sorry.
You don't have. This is what? Huh? What is this? Shop. Mini shop.
Put it on.
So, let me introduce my madam to you. I haven't met her. She don't know me, but she's my madam. She educates me. I learn from her. I'm going to pass it around. Know the name very well. Go and Google the name. She is was before. Spark illiterate. Abi? She doesn't know. Come and buy it here. She doesn't know. But today, she has a PhD. Today, she is the mastermind for planting trees in Kenya. She is just a housewife, a woman from a village, a mother, a sister, a community head. You know, she didn't go to school. She didn't even know where to navigate school. You hear me? Amen. Okay? She wrote this book after many years of things that happened in Kenya. Remember what I said? The tree gave us what? 3. And it takes. You get to a point they don't have electricity. They don't have any way to cook. The only way they can cook is by doing what? Cutting the trees. That's the only way they can take care of the family. The family can be fed, or they can do okay. And she too, as a mother, as a wife, can be happy that yes, I did this for my family.